Now after analyzing it, we will save the model. Okay, now we will create a report, full summary report. In this summary report we can see all the things of the project, like okay, so we will shift this summary report to here, project summary report. Create full so here we can see that full project report is to be generated, and it will take some time. Okay, now we can see, shift this model to here to see our report. Okay, it's 101 pages report. Now we will discuss it. Okay, it is going for 100% and through flat shifted of this model. So here our project report, here our story data, grid data, point coordinates, strip connectivity, mass group, properties of the materials in second, then assignment of members, loads and function analysis, result, strip result and direct data. So here we can see all the things in this report. It is the tables which show all the data. The story, first tower story 1 है, height है 3 meter, and master story, it is master story and yellowish color. Okay, this is our grid data. We will have the default story range, so we will have this grid data. Okay, on x coordinate it's 0, 8, 24, and on y coordinate here. Now discuss on the points coordinate. It is our points coordinate from 0, 1 to 17. All the coordinates of the beam and column here we can see it. Okay, 19. Now line connectivity, it is C1 labels to columns 1. Okay, all over 16 column are there, 4 4 16. Okay, it is of all 16 columns where wheel connectivity, and it is the beam connectivities, beam ways. About 20 beam are there, we can see it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 34 50 60 70 80 20. Okay, this is a floor ways. Okay, if we divide in this part, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, maybe it may be. Okay, now first to see it we will display underform shape. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it is pointed in 9 floor parts. Okay, now it is strip object connectivity. As we will see the strip designing in beams, in slabs. So here it is the connectivity report. It is the mass sources, it is general mass sources, mass of the data. Okay, so all over mass summary by the story 1, we can see that on story 1 our load is 25,400 and 2,54,411 kgs. Similarly in y direction both. On the basement it's 6,330. Okay, now on mass by group, if we see So it's 22,60,000 kg of weight. Its self weight is 0 kilonewton. Now the material properties. So M25 and these are our material properties, and this is our frame section. We will only concern on the only this frame section, not others. Okay, frame section property definition. Here it will see all the definition of the frame section, area modifier, width, and all the things. Okay, now it's our slab 1, that is 125 mm. Okay, our reinforcement size is 2225 to 50 in diameter. This is their areas. Our length is linear, so no tendons is only tendon sections not required. Okay, this is our diaphragm. Okay, single diaphragm restrained by this frame assignments, beam and column, with the beam and with the help of column. Okay, so we will see the complete report with the using of this. So we are not using time history function, so this is default. Okay, and load combination. We have the load combination of, as we are discussing, dead load 1.5 and dead load for slab load 1.5 for both of the strength. So we are using this two dead load combination as per table 18 of IS 456. We have given the load combination. Okay, this is our analyzing results of the story. Here we can see all the other results in our story. So the load is 62 kilonewtons on the live load, all over load -93. So use of this load we can design the footing with this all stories data. So this is the stories wise, all the load combination wise maximum data that we are using our tabular form. So concrete beam design summary. Okay, it is our concrete beam design summary. Our AST minimum कितना है, maximum, and rebar sizes कितना, all over shear and shear. So these are our. So now we will save this report or export our report. So we will use printout option to export our report, or we will use Word documents. So in Word documents we have E tabs. Okay, for save our report. So our report is saved. Okay, now we are moved to, after this we are moved to detailing part. Okay, this part is going to be analyzed, and after that we are going for detailing part. Some process is done. Okay, so we will use CSI detail.